Hi guys, welcome to Spanish 1. So in class today we talked about how to use Quizlet, and so you're going to have to take screenshots of your work that you do in class to upload them to Schoology 3A and 3B Food. And so if you're learning these for the first time, you can click on the flashcards. You'll notice because I have advanced Quizlet, so if you'll notice there's breakfast, and so you click on it, and I have recorded my voice. This is a chance for you to say it with me at home. El desayuno.
Breakfast. El desayuno.
El desayuno. And so you're going to get good at speaking Spanish for when we record ourselves and turn that in for other assignments. You will feel good about the words because you will have said it so many times. Also, I have a feeling that you're going to do really well on my tests if you know the word well enough because you've seen it, you've read it, you've spoken it, you've absorbed it. It's really a part of you now, and it's not a foreign word anymore. We are going to go back, and quite possibly there will be a time in class when I tell you that I want you to take a test for 5 to 10 minutes in class. And so what you're going to do, this isn't a real test grade. This is just a daily test grade, instead of doing a worksheet, times that I'm working with different groups. Here's your test. So what should you do? You should go down to options. Then I want you to do two things. I want you to only do the multiple choice, and I want you to change it. See how there are 49 questions? Well, you want to study 49 questions, right? You don't want to study less than half. So you're going to go and change it to 49, and then you're going to, I do want you to start with English for the most of the times that I'm going to talk about it. Then you save it, and when you save it, you're saying create a new test. And then you finish the test. Adios!